right, today we are going to present our All About Me posters. So yesterday you created your posters. Today we get to learn all of these interesting things about you. So there's two ways your teacher might choose to do this. You might have to present it to the class. So you might stand up in front of the class and show your creation in your poster. Or you might make a video and then your other friends can get to watch it after you've submitted your work. So when you are doing your presentation, when it's your turn to talk, make sure you talk nice and loud and nice and clear so that everybody can actually hear you and understand what you're saying. If you are not presenting, that means you're being an audience member. That means that you need to have your voices off. That means that your eyes are on the person who is talking and you are paying close attention. So if it was my turn to talk, I would say, "This is all about me. My name is Miss Belts. My first interesting fact is I am 40 minus 3 years old. How old am I? That's right, I am 37 years old, and I drew a picture of a birthday cake. My second fact is I have been teaching for 9 plus 5 years. How long have I been teaching? And the answer is 14 years. And I drew a picture of the number 14. Fact number 3, there are the same number of sides on a square as there are people in my family. How many people are in my family? I drew a picture of a square and I drew a picture of a family, and there are 4 people. My next fact, I have 1 times 1 pets at my house. How many pets do I have? Well, I have 1 dog. His name is Max. Fact number 5, my shoe size is 20 divided by 2. What size shoe do I wear? And I wear a size 10 because 20 divided by 2 is 10. And I drew a picture of a shoe. My final fact, I have 49 divided by 7 letters in my name. How many letters are in my name? Well, I could do 49 divided by 7, and I would know there are 7 letters in my name. So that's how I would present my poster. I was nice and loud so you could hear me, and I talked very clear so that people could understand what I was saying. If I was in the audience, I wouldn't be saying anything, and my eyes would be on the person who is talking. Have fun learning new facts about your friends.